currently heading to the boat. The boat. We're going to an island here in El Nido.
Hello. Ano? Ay, magdala. Ha? English and yung viewers natin. Okay lang yan, kaya na nila yung may auto subtitles naman.
This is the boat. Look at the view, it's so pretty. Like nature. Bye, Jen!
Lapit na ba tayo?
Yes, we're near na. So guys, we made it to the boat. Hi, Sam.
So, ayan, nagre-record na siya.
Mga artista galit dyan.
Hi guys! So, malapit na tayo sa first station natin. Anong island pupuntahan natin?
Tantula.
Tantula? Encantula, ayan.
Tantula.
Tantula.
Isang island lang po sana. Kung saan
Sa island lang?
Kung saan maraming
lalaki. Maraming lalaki. Ah, wala ba lalaki? Yan. So, parents. Hi. Tutor ko kayo sa isla bago tayo makarating sa compound. So, nandito tayo kay Wave Dos, nakasakay. Medium-sized boat. Ang ganda. Dito kami ngayon sa deck. So, kung makikita nyo, ang daming isla, no? Ang ganda talaga ng mga limestone formation. Ayan. Tapos,
dito na tayo. Papunta na tayo dyan.
ayan. Wait, paano kayo na-reverse yung hub?
Mag-selfie kaya tayo. Wala tayong
Selfie!
Wish that I could stay in this moment forever, so I can hold you in my arms. I will carry you on my shoulders as long as I'm able. Scare the monsters on the
Tantula Island.
deep and abiding. Liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. You will grow up in the blink of an eye and move out beyond your own.
Behind the
But no
scenes to.
matter what comes your way, I will stay right here beside you to catch you if you fall. And deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you.
Aray ko, may bato na.
Masakit.
Ito, may bato, Jel.
Ano?
Kapit ka lang dyan. Kapit ka lang dyan.
Kailangan kong umitim.
1, 2, lubog ka nga. 1, 2.
Paano mo lulubog, di ba?
So, yes. Here, El Nido, Palawan. Puntahan natin si Jeline. Kita ba tayo? Oo. Ganda. Ganda, oh. Ayan mo. Kaya mo yan.
Malalim.
Oh. Yes! Dito kami. Matagay.
Ay, nako, yung Alfonso talaga.
Hoy, iligtas si Alfonso.
Mag-floating ka! Wait lang, tayo ko hanapin.
Ay, akit ka daw muna, Ed. Hanapin ko yung takot ng Alfonso. Lalangoy na ako!
Wait lang, sana bilis ko naman!
Yun si Jen.
Mukhang tanga, di ba?
Abo ba? Kaso. Ang dami kang dala. Ang daming foreigner dito, guys. Meron ako nakikitang American, Korean, European, Chinese. Hindi ko alam kung anong gusto ko. Nahihilo na ako.
Alright!
Yun na sila. Baba na sila. Kaso palumbat na
Excuse me,
yung
guys. Ano, Ed?
Excuse you!
Yung baso, mababasa!
Oo nga, mababasa yung baso!
Ano yung pag-plastic? Ay, sana yung ba yung ano?
So,
Tanggalin
ito.
mo nga yung bag-bag.
Ngayon, hindi namin alam kung paano namin dadalhin sa shore yung baso tsaka yung alak. High tide na kasi. Tingnan mo, oh. Ayan si Jen. Ayan sila. Diba? Hawak ko yung alak, oh. May goggles. Actually, marami ng tao doon.
Ed,
Ah,
tanggalin ko muna dun yung
Alfonso.
It's a Sunday morning rain. Another sunrise by the roadside. Oh, it's an old and worn and stain. Won't come out no matter how hard I try. And as the sun is coming up, I hear the sound of the waking city. I'll hitch a ride at the next truck stop. If someone will show a stray dog some pity, I pray, be still, my vagabond heart. Don't listen to the calling road. Be still, my vagabond heart. You don't have to go. The end was there right from the start, and that ain't no way to live. It was always more than just playing a part. So baby, please forgive my vagabond heart. My vagabond heart.
I don't know.
eh.
Go guys!
Lumipad yung boat, ewan ko lang.
Sayo kayo! Bala na kayo niyan. Wow!
Tignan niyo to.